Hello mga kanokma, good morning! Eto na naman pala tayo mag-a-update sa ating backyard chicken farm. So, eto yung nakikita nyo ang aking batch 1 ng mga heritage chicken. 9 heads sila guys and they are now 6 weeks old. So, tapos na sila sa B1 at saka Fowlpox and later maglalasota tayo sa kanila. As you can see, this is our second batch of heritage chicken. 21 heads guys and they are 5 weeks old now. So, tapos na din sila sa B1 at saka Fowlpox and maglalasota tayo later for them. And in their drinking water, I mix Primoxin in preparation for their vaccine. That's why, as you can see, they're healthy. Thank you, God, for giving us healthy chicks. So, yan sila guys. Yan yung ating water. So, 21 heads. O, eto ang ating third batch at saka fourth batch. So, we have for third batch, 17 heads. And then fourth batch, we have 21 heads. So, as you can see guys, overcrowding sila sa cage nila. But then again, ina-transfer ko sila later sa kabilang cage. And they're done as well with B1 and later magpa-Fowlpox tayo. So as of today, we have a total of 68 heads na heritage chicken sa ating backyard. Yun lang. Bye-bye!